Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur ki ngam khai! Kai khai aroy! Manipur ki ngam khai! Kai khai aroy! Manipur! Manipuri mana! Kai khai Manipuri mana! Kai khai Manipuri mana! Kai khai Manipur ki saktam! Kai khai aroy!
When you wake up tomorrow, how would you like your day to go? Killing someone because they are not from your tribe? Or having your loved ones killed because they are not from their tribe? Think about living with the consequences, forever traumatized, and living under the weight of guilt and anxiety. Or you have a choice, waking up in a peaceful home, working towards a bright future for yourself and your family, spending quality time with your family and community, being loving, tolerant, and kind to your neighbors and community. You have a choice. All of us have a choice.
I work in the performance field in Manipur, that at the dance colleges, we have what are called tribal dance days. And so Manipuris will come, the Meiteis will come, and the different tribal dance groups will all come to and contribute. And it's just really wonderful to see that there is such a wide diversity of creativity that goes on in Manipur.
Today we rally together, not in anger, but in solidarity. Let's remember the stories. Let them give us strength and hope. What we want is a space of peace, a place of harmony, a place where parents don't have to fear for their children's lives, a place where every person can return home without the threat of their house being burnt down, a place where everyone, regardless of their job, whether they are a rider, an air hostess, a doctor, a police officer, a village volunteer, or a Navy officer, feel safe and secure. Let's create a future where our stories aren't of loss, but of triumph and hope. Let's stay united and march forward to a brighter and safer future. Thank you. Kurumjari.
Let's find a way to get past the violence and find a way to bring peace and economic development for all.
Both the communities are affected. There are sufferings from both the communities. Relief camp ta leiriba mi sing se chatlaga amuktang yengminasi karamba mawngda leirige habase.
It is time for people to come together, to listen and learn from one another, and to collectively work towards building a future marked by harmony, understanding, and respect.
We call upon all the media folks and the fellow citizens of India and the communities of the world to help us convey our message to the top, leadership in India. And we really request everybody to come together as a humanity and stand together and pray for peace in Manipur.
Peace haibase, important haibase, should be the voice, aina haizabadi, should be the voice for everybody. Akogi khandana, akogi emotion, akogi saudu khandana, akogi hozik immediate suffer tawriba sigi crisis sina sigi khanbiraga mayamda aina request tawjaga dawdi peace poraknaba somgi side chu both the side kari tawsige table da poraga dialogue poraga kari sana sige world da any crisis any war haibase negotiation tawraga yaba pot ngaktane negotiation tawraga kari tawba yage haibase mayam pulapna both sides tagi.
They're just doing things that are very hypocritical to a faith that I even have. I'm a Christian. I'm an American white Christian, and these people are acting as if they're representations and then going and hurting people. I know that the faith they allegedly believe, that is Jesus. Love your enemies. Do good to those who hurt you and those who persecute you. I don't understand why the diplomatic way cannot be exercised into voice your opinion about things that you don't like instead of taking the way of violence. I oppose violence. I feel like the way to peace is the only way. They allegedly worship the God of peace, but I don't think so by their actions. So I just need to get that off my heart and say that because it's very offending to me. It's heartbreaking, all the innocent people that have been hurt. that have nothing to do with this. These people that have been hurt, killed, displaced are completely innocent victims, as we all know.
That for them, we seek grounds for peace, clearing of all arms from the hills and the valley, stopping the free flow of arms from across the borders, that we resolve as Meiteis and all other indigenous tribes, civil society organizations, all political parties, and the government of the people, by the people, and for the people, unite as one for this cause. And I quote that all here and afar highly resolved that these dead shall not have died in vain, that Manipur, the lands of hills and valley, a cradle to a brotherhood of over 35 tribes, cannot be shaken by one group funded by a wealthy man, that we must set the ground for everlasting peace and end this violence, that this land
Angang khara yahan gadra. Ibangan sinasu ikay punabautli.
Mathagi makukta kini na namay ba makukoy ba. Manipuri